Hello, and welcome to the fifth video in the IAF eReading tutorial series. In this video, we will show you how to save and organize e-resources on the platform. Each search record has an option called Add to Reading List. Using this feature, you can save e-resources for future reference. You can save resources to custom folders or to My Favorites. Once saved, these resources will appear in a dedicated section on the home page, giving you quick access to your favorite e-contents. You can create as many folders as you need to organize your resources. Simply create a folder, give it a name, and save resources to it. All your saved items can be accessed from the Reading List section. In your Reading Lists, you can select e-resources and export their citations. The platform supports more than 500 citation styles. Simply choose the required style and click Export Citation. You can also email selected resources to peers. Please note that recipients must be authorized users and logged into the IAF eReading platform to access the shared e-resources. You can also save your search queries for future use. Just click the Save Search option next to your search results, and the query will be saved in the reading list for quick access whenever you need it. When you click the For You button, you'll see a set of personalized AI-based recommendations. At the top, you'll notice a filter option that allows you to narrow recommendations by media type. For example, if you want to see only ebooks, you can simply select that from the filter. These recommendations are AI-curated and based on your recent searches, reading history, and the interests you have added to your profile. If you switch to the Articles tab, you'll find scholarly works matching your interests. You can update your interests at any time by clicking the Edit Interests button. Any changes you make in the interests will be reflected in your future recommendations. The Top Stories section brings you the latest news updates from Press Reader based on carefully selected topics. You can browse news under categories such as India in Focus, Indian Air Force and Leadership Updates, Indian Defense Modernization, India's Strategic Neighborhood, Aerospace, and more. These news feeds are updated daily, ensuring that you stay informed about the latest developments. To read any story, simply click the Read button, and you will be taken directly to Press Reader, where you can access the full article. Use these features to stay informed, discover and organize relevant content, and make the most of your IAF e-reading experience. Thank you for watching.